Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel today. We're diving into a topic that's super important for a lot of people, but isn't talked about nearly enough. Erectile dysfunction, or ED. But don't worry, we're not here to just talk about it. We're here to help you find natural ways to overcome it. So if you or someone you know is dealing with ED, stick around because this video might just change your life. First off, let's understand what ED really is. Erectile dysfunction is when a man has trouble getting or keeping an erection firm enough for sexual activity. It can be caused by a variety of factors, including stress, poor diet, lack of exercise, and even emotional or psychological issues. Remember, the goal here isn't just to get rid of ED, but to enhance your overall health and well-being. But the good news is there are natural ways to tackle this problem head-on without relying solely on medication. Let's take a look at some powerful strategies. All right, let's talk about the natural remedies. The first one is probably the most obvious, but also the most important. Healthy diet. What you eat has a massive impact on your overall health, including your sexual health. Foods rich in antioxidants, healthy fats, and vitamins can help improve blood flow and hormone levels, which are crucial for a healthy erection. Try adding more fruits, vegetables, nuts, and lean proteins to your diet. Next up, exercise. Regular physical activity, especially cardio, can significantly improve your blood flow and boost your energy levels. Even a 30-minute walk every day can make a huge difference. Plus, staying active can reduce stress, which is another big factor in ED. And speaking of stress, let's not forget about mental health. Stress, anxiety, and depression can all contribute to ED. Practices like yoga, meditation, or even just taking time to relax and unwind can be incredibly beneficial. Another great tip, sleep. Make sure you're getting enough quality sleep every night. Poor sleep can mess with your hormones and energy levels, making it harder to perform when it matters most. Now let's talk about some natural supplements that might help. Certain herbs and vitamins have been shown to improve erectile function, such as L-arginine, ginseng, and vitamin D. But remember, it's important to talk to your healthcare provider before starting any new supplements, especially if you're taking other medications. Lastly, let's not forget the importance of a healthy relationship. Open communication with your partner can reduce anxiety and build trust, making it easier to deal with ED together. Don't be afraid to talk about what you're going through. A supportive partner can make a world of difference. So there you have it. Natural ways to get rid of erectile dysfunction and improve your overall health. Remember, it's all about making small, sustainable changes that lead to big results. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with anyone who might benefit from these tips. And as always, leave your questions and comments down below. I'm here to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care and stay healthy.